Welcome to St. Michael's Academy, Bettiah's e-learning class of English Grammar, Class 5. So today we are going to do adjectives. So in this video we are going to do the explanation and the bookwork of this chapter. Read this beautiful poem. My mother. My mother is a fragrant rose. She is sweet honey. She is the lovely sun in the bright blue sky. She is like the glowing moon, the dark night, a colorful rainbow who makes my life bright. Now we have to underline the describing words here, like fragrant, sweet, lovely, bright, blue, lovely, glowing, dark, colorful, bright. These are the words that describe nouns, and the words which describe the nouns are adjectives. What are adjectives? As you know already that adjectives are the words that describe nouns. And adjectives answers questions such as what kind, which one, and how many. Now another definition of adjectives are modifiers. They modify nouns or pronouns. This means they change the image of a noun or pronoun. So as we know that the adjectives describe the noun or pronoun. They can modify means here. Modify means change. So they can change the image of the noun and pronoun. Now, how can we find an adjective? So it is very easy. Adjectives can be located by asking questions like what kind, which one, how many, and how much. So these questions help us to locate, to know which adjective is present in that sentence. So adjective can be used to describe color, opinion, size, age, shape, origin, material, distance, temperature, and time. For example, like color, it can be blue, red, green, or any other color. Opinion means that you're giving your advice there, that good, pretty, right, wrong, funny, light, happy. Third one is size, means big, small, long, short. Next one is age, old or young. Next one, shape, round, rectangle, oval, square, rectangular. Origin, German, Indian, Malaysia. Material means glass, metal, wood. Distance, long, short, near, far. Temperature, cold, warm, hot, cool. And also time, late or early. Now be ready to know the adjective with the help of one example. Imagine a picture of a car in your mind. Do you have an image in your head? Now suppose the car is red. Now make the car fast. Now make the car old fashioned. Now make the car green. Now you have imagined the car that it is red, fast, old fashioned, green. These are the words are the adjectives. Red, old fashioned, fast, green. These are the adjectives there because they are describing that object, describing the noun there, that the car is green, that the car is fast, that the car is old fashioned. Now to find an adjective, you need to locate the nouns first. So whenever you have to find an adjective, first what you have to do? You have to locate the nouns. For example, 3 happy children played at the park. So here children and park are nouns. Happy here is the adjective. Now next one. The donkey stepped out on my large hat. So here donkey and hat are nouns. Now you can see the adjective here is large. Now the third one. The child was brave. So here where is the noun? Yes, child is the noun here. So where is the adjective? Brave here is the adjective. Now next one. Can you find the adjectives? First we have to find the noun. For example, we saw the grey elephant at the zoo. So here elephant and zoo are the nouns. Then ask, what word describes the elephant? Grey is the word that describes the elephant. Now next one, can you find the adjective? First we have to first find out the noun. The rabbit followed the slow turtle. So here rabbit and turtle are noun. Now we will ask a question. What word describe the turtle? Slow word describe the turtle. So here slow is the adjective. He found 2 pennies on the ground. So first we have to find out the nouns. Pennies and ground are the nouns. Now we will ask a question. What word describe the pennies? 2. So here 2 is the adjective. Next one. The children heard the loud bell. Now first we have to find the noun. So here children and bell are the nouns. Then we will ask a question. What word describe the bell? Loud is the word that describe the bell. So here loud is the adjectives. Now we will see degree of comparison. We use adjectives to show level or degree of intensity or comparison. Adjectives change their forms to show comparison. So, there are 3 degrees of comparison in English. First one is positive degree, second one comparative degree, and third one superlative degree. We will see it one by one. The first one is a positive degree. We use a positive degree when we speak about only one person or thing. So the positive degree of an adjective is its simplest form. No comparison is made in this degree. We only talk about only one person or thing at a time. For example, LeBron James is tall. The house is big. This flower is beautiful. So you can see here the positive degree tall, big and beautiful, and here we are talking about only of one person or thing, and there is no comparison is made in this sentences. The second one is the comparative degree. We use a comparative degree when we compare two persons or two things with each other. So the comparative degree is used to compare two persons or thing. So in this degree there is comparison between two person or things. For example, Yon Ming is taller than LeBron James. So here Minch is taller than James. So here you can see there is a comparison between two person. And here you can see than is written. So in this comparison of degree we put er and than. Next one, this house is bigger than that one. So you can see in this sentence there is a comparison between the two houses and we put er and than here. Next one, she is nicer than him. So there is a comparison between two person and we have put er and than here, which is compulsory in comparative degree, er and than. Now next one is superlative degree. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. It is the highest degree of the quality. So in superlative degree, it is used to compare more than two person or things. For example, Peter is the smartest boy in the class. So here we are comparing Peter with the whole class here. So we put est there. So we have put smartest. Second one, Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. So here Alice is compared to the girls living near his neighborhood. So here we have put est sweetest here. So next one is the blue whale is the largest of all animals. So we are comparing the blue whale with all the animals, that the blue whale is the largest of all the animals. So we have put est. So here largest. Now we will start the next one, determiners. Adjectives that quantify or identify the nouns that follows them are called determiners. So here we can see that which quantify or identify the nouns and follow them are known as determiners. They also tell us about what we are talking about, something specific or something general. So it tells us that if we are talking about something specific or something general. For example, give me one of those apples. Did you drop this coin? Give me some apples. Did you drop any coin? So here you can see that those, this, some, any. These are determiners. These, this and those are specific determiners. Some, any are general determiners. Now we will see both of them. What are they? Now the first one, specific determiners. A specific determiner is used when you know exactly which things or person, people you are talking about. So in specific determiners, we know the exactly what thing, person, people we are talking about, जिसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं और किसके बारे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, इसके बारे में एग्जैक्टली हमें पता होता है. So specific determiners are of two type, mostly are of two type. Demonstrative and possessive are specific determiners. For example, definite article the, demonstrative this, that, these, those, possessive my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Now next one. A general determiner is used to talk about the people or things without saying exactly who and what they are. So, जनरल डिटरमाइनर्स में हम देखते हैं कि हमें एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता होता है कि हम किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Now, the general determiners are of two types, indefinite article a and quantifiers. A few, a little, all, another, any, both, each, no, many, much, either, enough, every, few, fewer, less, little, most, much, neither, more. Now we will do the bookwork of this chapter. Question A. Circle all the adjectives in these sentences. So what you have to do? You have to circle the adjective in this sentence. For example, question number 1. Renu cleaned her dirty room. So here the adjective will be dirty. Question B. The adjectives in these sentences are highlighted. Circle the nouns or pronouns that they describe. So here the adjective is already given in red color. Now what we have to do? We have to circle the noun and pronoun that the adjective described. All have been done for you. Question C. Match the adjectives with suitable nouns. So what we have to do? We have to do match the column, and in section A adjective is given and section B noun is given. Now what we have to do? We have to match it with their right noun. Question D. Underline the adjectives in this passage. Replace them with adjectives of your own or adjectives from the list and rewrite the passage. So what you have to do? You have to underline the adjectives and change that adjective with the given adjectives in the box. All have been done for you. Question E. Complete the table with the missing degree of comparison. One has been done for you. There are three types of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. You have to change according to it. For example, happy, happier, happiest. Second one, large, larger, largest. All have been done for you. Question F. Fill in the blanks with the correct degree of comparison of the adjectives given in the bracket. So in the bracket, already the adjectives have been given. What we have to do? We have to change in degree of comparison which is suitable according to that. Fill in the blanks. All have been done for you. Question G. Are the underlined words determiners? Write yes or no. So you have to see that the underlined words are determiners or not, and you have to write yes or no in the blanks. All have been done for you. Question H. Fill in the blanks with determiners from the bracket. So in the bracket, determiners have been given. Two determinants have been given. You have to select the correct one according to the sentence. For example, question number 1, please give me dash pencil to write with. So the correct answer will be A. I hope you understood the book work and the explanation work of this chapter. Thank you.